how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a skull with flaming eyes, okay? It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, very Halloween, okay? So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a curved line down here that's going to be the inside of the eye, or the top of the eye. Line down here, it's one eye right there, okay? We're going to go over here and try to draw almost the exact same shape, but on the opposite side, kind of like a mirrored image. If you like Halloween, don't forget, hit the subscribe, by the way, and click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting all season long, so absolutely a lot of videos on different topics and many different ways to draw the same topic. So for example, there's many different ways to draw a skull. I'm going to go over as many as I can, okay? There's infinite amount. So definitely stick around for that stuff. It takes a second to subscribe, so please do that right now. It takes a second, okay? Gonna go right here. Line up. Side of the temple, side of the temple. Curve. Down over here in. All right, that's the cheekbone on one side. Gonna go over here, find the cheekbone on the other side. There's a fly around me, and it is very, very annoying. Oh, that fly. I don't know if you see it through the camera there. Okay. Gonna go down here. Putting that row of teeth right there and then pulling back up. All right. Over here, the nose. Kind of like a triangular shape, and then same thing right there. Okay, now we're gonna do the flaming part. I'm gonna go over here, start kind of at the base of this. Kind of a swoop up again. Line over here. Same thing, swoop up, edge, swoop up. Line over here. Right on. So we have the basic structure down. Now what we want to do is want to add details to this, okay? I want to add, like, let's just say the top row of teeth. Lines right here, maybe, for kind of the gum line. Like so. Just kind of like, again, scratching stuff in here. What you're doing is you're putting in information. That's literally what that is. That is information that you're putting in. Curve right here for the middle. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. And line here on this side, line here on this side. Just kind of throwing in a bunch of these little textures just for giving it some very mild realism. Obviously, it's not even the shape of a real skull, right? But just giving some mildness to it. I don't know how to say it. It's just some mild realism. All right, and that's pretty much it. You have the flames out of the eyes of this skull. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hit the subscribe. Don't forget to check out the main website. There's a beginner drawing lesson on sketchingeasy.com right at the top of the page. Go check it out. If you've never drawn anything in your life and you want to learn to really draw everything, go to that beginner lesson, okay? sketchingeasy.com. Check it out. Talk to you later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.